Like the sides we take and somersaults make, moving from birth to its end. Shake hands we do, clasp them tightly. We hug one time and then pretend we don't know who that was, who. But friend or foe, it's a thing of the past. But friend or foe, it's a thing of the past when it's time to finally go. For nothing we know is meant to last. And so we are weepy and teary, the mouth all dry, when it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends, but this goodbye is only for a few days or a few hours, and I'll be back with some more poetry for you. Now, if you like it, thank you very much, and goodbye.